Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing recovery media and confirming a backup. This prevents data loss. Plug in an external drive and copy critical folders. Once done, make a bootable USB using the media creation tool so you can access repair options. You need administrative access and, ideally, your Microsoft account credentials. This matters because Safe Reset requires either local recovery files or installation media. Without them, Windows may be unable to restore system files. So pause and complete these steps before proceeding. You now boot into recovery and use built-in repair tools to fix corruption. First, choose Troubleshoot, then reset this PC. Try Keep My Files to preserve data, but if it fails, select Remove Everything. Once done, open Command Prompt from Advanced Options and run sfc/scanno to repair system files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth to fix the component store. These commands heal the underlying image so the reset can complete. Make sure each finishes with a healthy status before continuing. You finish by reinstalling Windows if reset still fails. Boot the USB installer, choose Custom Install, then select the system partition. Format if necessary. Once Windows boots, run Windows Update and OEM driver tools to restore hardware support. This prevents device failures that can break future resets. If problems persist, run chkdsk/f/r to repair disk errors and Windows Memory Diagnostic to rule out RAM faults. These hardware issues often block resets. If an error code
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.